I'm giving you the cold shoulder, knowing you wanted me closer. Continue tying me when I'm not your baby. This boy be undependable. No fee waste time, pull up to my show. See me now. Hey guys, welcome to another hair video. It's your girl Martenni. I'm starting off this hairstyle with my hair already braided. Big shout out to CAOKIA on Amazon for sending me this wig. This is a human hair wig, y'all. We're moving on up, okay? Yes, it originally comes in body wave. The HD lace was definitely giving. And here's the inside of the wig. I really liked doing this today. So here's everything that you're gonna need. So all this will definitely be in my description below, as well as the Amazon link, so make sure you guys check that out. Yes. All right, so we're gonna start with putting on the cap and spraying the top with some Got2Be spray. You guys, I'm just gonna warn you right now, and this is just gonna go out to all the girls that kind of have like edges that really go far. I'ma just have to say, like, I couldn't do what most of the girls be doing on TikTok, so you're gonna see my real hair. And honestly, I don't really care because I felt like the edges from the wig definitely blended in with my real edges anyway. So if you're ever scared to take that leap and you're in the same predicament as me, just do it, because this still came out right. So as you can see, I blow dried everything. I put the glue in. I didn't really show that part because I just didn't really feel like the way that I'm doing this process was correct. But honestly, I feel like everyone's process is different. So I already pre-plucked the part and everything. So now I'm just hot combing everything down before I start on the edges. So boom, pre-comb, hot comb. And this is my first time using this lace tint. I already put some foundation under the wig, but I just wanted this to more so melt the lace. And as you can see on my sideburns, they were definitely not covered by this looks crazy, but watch at the end, you guys. Just stay tuned because it's gonna come along perfect. It's gonna come along perfect. All right, so here's me doing my edges. Had to hot comb some of the hair back. And with my edges, I didn't just use regular edge control. For wig styles, I usually just spray on some Got2Be spray and then hold it down with the band. So right now I just want all of that to just be held down. So I'm going to use these really great scissors. You guys, go to Amazon and get these scissors because they come in handy. Like, I love those scissors. So I'm finessing the edges. Yes, you can see my real hair, but you know what? Who's gonna check me, boo? Nobody. No one's gonna check me. Because I feel like this is just a process when you're new to putting on wigs. And it still looks natural in my opinion. Like, I went out after I did everything and I still got great compliments. So now I'm just curling the hair. The hair originally came in a body wave hairstyle, and I was going to straighten it, but since I have a photo shoot tomorrow, I'm just like, let me like pre-curl it so that when I wake up in the morning, I'm just gonna curl what needs to be curled. And who doesn't love curls? Like, so I'm using my Chi hair straightener. I did get it from Target. I'm not sure if they still sell it because I definitely got this like a long time ago. But definitely visit your local Target to grab this straightener, and to also grab the hot comb, because I definitely got the hot comb from there as well. And my blow dryer, if anybody is wondering, is from Conair. I'm not sure if they sell that one anymore as well, but just visit their website and you could probably find similar blow dryers too. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me curl everything. Here's the finished look. Ooh, this came out so well. And look, that part is just looking so natural, you guys. Make sure you check me out on TikTok as well. Ooh, this is so great. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next hair video. Bye.
Let me love again.